Hey everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube video. My name is Wendy, your Magandita. And for today's video, it's kind of different because I will be sharing with you my vlog about my magic granola. I know this is kind of different, but there are some people asking about this. I'm not bragging, but my granola really has a magical taste. So if you want to know the secrets and this magic taste of granola, please stay tuned and watch until the end. And also, I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification so you will never miss any vlog and tips with Magandita. So let's get cooking. First, preheat the oven for 180 degrees for at least 15 minutes. And then prepare the pan using the aluminum foil. Gather all the ingredients that you needed. We're gonna need 500 grams of oats, or aveia in Portuguese, 150 grams of raisins or passas, 150 grams of pumpkin seeds or abóbora sementes, I don't know in Portuguese, and crushed cashew nuts or almonds. You can use different type of nuts, whatever you like. Also 150 grams of shredded dried mango. And for the liquid ingredients, we need a coconut oil, also some honey. First things you're gonna do is combine and mix well the coconut oil and also the honey in one bowl. Mix it all together. Mix it up until you see this kind of mixture. It should be really well combined. And then we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients to a big bowl. The pumpkin seeds, the raisins, the nuts, everything. Mix it all together. When you finally mix all the dried ingredients, it's time now to pour the liquid mixture, the coconut oil and the honey. You may have to pour it slowly. The reason for this pouring slowly is to give each flavor in each part of the oats. So pour it again and then mix it all over again. You can use 2 spatula to make sure that it's really mixing all together in the flavor. Now after 15 minutes, you're gonna lower the oven for 150 and then pour all the mixture of granola to the pan, just to make sure that it's scattered all over to the pan to make it cook evenly. and then bake it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Also, you have to mix it while inside the oven for at least every 10 minutes, because some of the ingredients, especially the raisins, it's gonna get burned. So you have to make it evenly cooking each part of the oats. Then when you have a remaining 5 minutes, you're gonna put this dried mango, the shredded mango. If you don't have a dried mango, you can also use the coconut flakes. Sometimes I use coconut flakes, or sometimes I use the dates, whatever you prefer. Make sure it's scattered everywhere. And finally, after 20 to 30 minutes, you're gonna turn it off and let it cool it down. Remove it from the oven, and ta-da! There you have it, the magic granola. Look at this, it looks so yum, right? Not just look, trust me, it's really yum. And after removing it to the oven, you have to let it dry. I mean cool, not dry. That's it. Just mix it a little bit, and then you have to cool it down for at least 30 minutes before you put it to the to the box or wherever you want to put it. And then after 30 minutes, when you let it cool completely, it's time to put it to the jar, and it's gonna be amazing, just like this. And ta-da! There you have it, the magic granola. It is perfect for the beach, for watching TV, for yogurt, for breakfast, snack, whatever. This is really yummy and so healthy. Everything that I use for this, it's all natural. So that's it, my magic granola. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know in the comment down below what do you think of this granola, magic granola. I can tell you that it's really magical, it's really yummy, and it's so healthy. I am always eating this instead of popcorn or chips. I'm eating this while watching TV, perfect for breakfast or anything. So if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment down below, and you can share it to your family and friends who need some tips about healthy living, healthy eating habits like this, because it's really amazing and really healthy. So I will see you again on my next vlog. Bye.